Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for giving us an opportunity to present Samavesh, an initiative by PGDM Healthcare Program at V School, Mumbai. I, Dr. Anjali Kumar, will be taking you through to the entire initiative. Samavesh means internalization and inclusion, and we got the same into our classrooms for our students because we believe that students in corporate level also people from different diversity comes in picture and they solve a problem, and that was a thing which we thought, why can't we bring simulated classroom learning for our V School students of PGDM Healthcare Program, because we were getting students from all walks of life. It is a peer-to-peer learning platform run completely by the students, facilitated by the faculties. It started in the year 2018. The biggest challenge which as a PGDM healthcare program we were facing we were getting students from all walks of life, be it engineering, commerce, medical background, and we also saw that the students were not able to learn a lot of subjects. So engineers were not able to learn the subjects which were more medical driven, and the medical students were not able to learn subjects from the general management level like finance and others. So we thought, why can't we convert our diversity into our opportunity and make a platform where students can actually learn from each other and create that simulative environment of a corporate in the classrooms for our students. And that's when Samavesh was born. For students, Samavesh is a platform where they can build on their leadership qualities, because each student gets a time, or each student gets an opportunity to present some or the other topic. Because the initiative is run by these students, the volunteers of these students make sure that the entire 30 to 60 minutes classroom session goes on time and is well managed. And at the receiving end, students were more happy, because now they were not asking questions to any faculties, but their own fellow classmates who were helping them to understand a lot of topics, which otherwise they would have to research a lot for. For the students who were presenting in Samavesh, it's a platform where they can build on their communication skills. The students who were introvert, for them it was a platform where they could kind of come and talk in public. Every week, we have 30 to 60 minutes dedicated for Samavesh session, where students make sure that they are conducting the entire class. There is always a faculty present in the session just for an observation level, because we don't want anything else to happen during those sessions. Pre-COVID, we used to have the sessions offline, but during COVID and post that, we are having it in an online platform using Google Meets and Microsoft Teams as a platform. After every session, there is a Q&A which students ask from their fellow batchmates, and even if there is a discussion which needs to be taken place, those discussions are taken place during the Samavesh session. Some of the topics covered so far in Samavesh are into medical ethics, mental health, CSR, Excel, and others. Like any other program, Samavesh also faced challenges in the very first year of its launch, where we saw only 3 to 4 sessions being taking place. On reviewing the entire process, we got to know that the volunteers of the program who were holding the Samavesh session the very first year were students who were freshers, and for them this was just another activity. So we thought of roping in more experienced students from the batch to be volunteers of the program, because for them, they see a lot of value in such programs where they can actually improvise on the leadership skills and communication skills. And that made the program successful. From the very next year, we started getting 100% participation from the batch. And it's the 4th year of Samavesh. We are still running strong. In the very second year, we also got a small feedback from our students that if we can provide them with some kind of certificate, which will help them to motivate their it will help to motivate them. And this is a kind of certificate which we provide to all the volunteers and the student presenters at the end of the program. The Samavesh impact have been manifold. Today, PGDM healthcare students are just not the consumers of the content, but they are also creating content on different social media platforms. They take participation in different discussion forums, and they have also published articles on our different social media handles. I'll be sharing the handles link soon. You can all go through their articles as well. Students also started discussing about topics which were more futuristic in nature for the healthcare sector. They started appreciating technology. The non-tech students were The non-tech students started appreciating the technology. They started talking about how technology is going to change the entire healthcare sector. And these are some of the articles which are written by these students on different social media platforms. The other benefit of the program was it inculcated a lot of confidence and boosted the morale of the student, which led to the 100% placement of the 1921 batch. Not only that, we also got some of the biggest companies on campus for PGDM healthcare students who have recruited with the highest packages from the similar batch, and they continue to come to the campus now. Because students were really happy with the program, there was a lot of word of mouth marketing which they did on the social media platforms for the program, and that led to 100% seat filled for the program as well. We believe in inclusive and authentic engagements as social media platforms, and hence we figured out these are the, some social media platforms which we have provided to our students, which they actually go and they publish a lot of articles in it.
You have 2 more minutes.
Yeah. We also went ahead and took some testimonials from our students, and students have to say that the Samavesh has built up on their communication, it has improved their communication, and it has also led to the placement of some of the students. At We School, we believe we is the new I. If we can do it as an institute, we think anybody any MBA institute can do it at their own level. Hence, this program is sustainable and can be replicated by any B school in India and abroad. You don't need to have diversity always in the batch. Sometimes similar kind of batch classmates can also share a lot of information among the batch. The research probability of the batch reduces because 60 or whatever is the batch size of an MBA class, 60 people are taking different topics and they are discussing about it. Also, you don't need any infrastructure money for this kind of initiative. You just need a classroom or an online platform for your students. Such an initiative can be in any form, whether it is a classroom learning face-to-face or a blended format. At the end, we want to say that we transform the diversity among students from being perceived as a disadvantage to an advantage through peer-to-peer learning initiative Samavesh. Thank you so much for giving your time. This is the PGDM healthcare faculty team, and the initiative at We School is taken care by Dr. Rohan Kesarkar, the person in the specs and the beard. These are the social media handles. You can check our work of our students, what they publish on these social media handles. Thank you so much.